So we're just about ready to cook. We have the vinegar. It's made from coconut, onions, ginger. That's garlic. Okay, so I'm cutting the turmeric. We will also mince this. We ran out of Dulaw for turmeric. What we have here is lingkoas, and I don't think I can use this for this recipe. To! Pwede maroon kuan. Dulaw. Ala, yun daw.
Here's something that I'd like to bring to you. Wrapped all in cellophane designed for you. A 2, 3, 4, yeah.
Okay, time to cook. Some oil. We will first saute. And finally the fish. Blue Marlin. So we're gonna be sauteing this until it changes color. We'll have the vinegar. And we'll wait until it reduces. A little sugar. Some salt. Of course, the pepper. And something American. Tabasco. Because we don't have local chilies right now. We'll have a little water. 15 minutes or so, and that will be it. And that's it. Special Paksiw.